What's going on everyone, this is Kedar here. I was trying to use my YouTube and here you can see guys, it's completely empty. What's going on guys? YouTube homepage is entirely empty, no videos right there. And I'm using it on my desktop and I'm getting nothing. And therefore I tried using the YouTube application, the Android application, and here you can see only few of the videos are showing up on my YouTube homepage. So what's really going on guys? Here you can see 9 or 10 videos are probably showing up, but right below that there is nothing. It's empty screen guys. So what's really going on? I'm kind of confused. Here you can see icons are visible but no videos into the homepage. So what's really going on with the YouTube? It's the April month. Are they doing April Fool? And can you believe guys, even when I refresh my YouTube, all I get is empty screen, no videos there onto homepage. I also tried on my PC desktop and all I get is empty screen. In fact, I tried switching my YouTube accounts and it didn't work at all. All I get is empty videos on my home page and that's all guys. So today in this video, let's check out what's really problem with the YouTube and when they can fix this one. Is there any latest update from the team YouTube? So let's check out all the latest updates right here in this video. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to check out whether this problem is occurring to my particular account or YouTube application, I headed over to the Twitter and check this out guys. Kind of a fascinating to be started with. So here you can see guys, this fellow, my YouTube page is not working and this fellow is getting the same exact problem. Few of the videos are showing up but nothing get past the screen. Probably 9 or 10 videos and that's all. Entire YouTube is empty. Homepage is empty. Check this out, this fellow, my homepage is not working. There are only 9 or 10 videos every time I refresh. While this fellow is getting entirely empty YouTube homepage. Check this out guys. My recommended videos on homepage are not loading at all. Only primetime video suggestions and ad ones and some YouTube short are visible, but for most of the part not even loading anything. Everything else working fine. So definitely guys, many people are facing this kind of a error as of right now. So if you are worried if your YouTube account is hacked, blocked or anything of such kind, don't even worry about it because you know what, many people are facing this kind of a same error, so don't worry about it guys. Now the most important question is whether it's the YouTube web or whether it's the Android YouTube application, when they are going to fix this one. So without a further ado, let's check out any latest update from the YouTube Twitter official page. Now here is the thing guys, coincidentally it's the month of April, so I'm kind of worried, are they trying to prank us? Is the April Fool? Or let's check out any latest update. So now here's the thing, I headed over to the YouTube Twitter official page and let's check out whether they got any latest update. And check this out guys, tons of updates regarding creators and many of the interesting stuff, but nothing onto the YouTube official page, the Twitter official page for the YouTube. Let's check out the YouTube creators and whether we got any update. So anything, everything regarding creators and other stuff, but nothing related to the YouTube outage issue. Oh my goodness guys, just check this out. I was checking out the down detector and here you can see about 500 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video. That means guys, the seriousness of the issue is, so the issue is pretty serious. We can see that for sure. They are not doing the prank. 500 people are reporting the outage. That means it's a serious issue. At least for a particular region is facing this issue pretty seriously. Now without a further ado, let's check out the Team YouTube Twitter official page. Hope we get any sort of answers because Team YouTube helps everybody, you know what, regarding all the YouTube related issues. So let's check out any latest update. Now as far as the tweet goes, Team YouTube hasn't yet tweeted out regarding it, but they have got couple of replies. Many people have tagged them, so let's check out. Here you can see people are reporting to the Team YouTube, can't see any videos on my dashboard, and Team YouTube response is 56 seconds ago, very recent response, thanks for the clip. The same thing is happening across your device or not. If you haven't yet, then please restart the app and see if it fixes the issue and let me know how it goes. So that's the suggestion that YouTube team has provided. Let's check out any latest update. So this fellow has tweeted out, my homepage is completely blank, tried clearing cache data, reinstalling the app, but nothing happens. But if I log in to my second account, then it works fine. So at least for this fellow, another account of his working, and in response, Team YouTube said, thanks for the screenshot and sharing the steps. You can share your feedback right over here and will be able to monitor and work on this issue. So right now they are trying to work and fix this issue as far as we can see. Now coming to the real part of the solution, is this issue even fixable or not? Let's check out. Now many people ask this very important question to the Team YouTube, but here you can see guys, they have tried suggesting clearing the cache, reinstalling the app, clearing the data and things of such kind. But one fellow has reported that if you use another YouTube account, then it probably works. At least for this fellow, it worked out. So that thing you can definitely try. And they have clearly acknowledged, sorry for the trouble. We recommend submitting and feedback report so we can review it. And this will help us identify and fix the widespread issue. So remember guys, they are trying to work on this one. So make sure you report this issue if you are facing it. And this issue is kind of getting crazy because you know what, getting out of hands, outage reports are increasing. And once I get any latest update, I will keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.